Billionaire hypertech begins here. Watch this explosive sweep over the Obsidian Nexus in the Swiss Alps. Now feel the pure velocity with this lateral slide. It shows off 85,000 square feet of future luxury. Look at this sweeping corridor. These tracking neon lights guide you through 85,000 square feet of perfection. This primary living lounge is absolute insanity. Every surface is perfectly automated for the ultimate tech billionaire lifestyle. Dinner in the future looks exactly like this. This massive obsidian table sits 80 people in total luxury. The ultimate power move. This executive office features built-in digital displays and a flawless black carbon fiber desk. Sleep like a king in this primary master suite. Look at that low-profile bed and gold neon glow. Relax in pure luxury. This ensuite features a gold-lit tub and the most advanced smart glass in existence. Let's head upstairs in this transparent glass elevator. It's smooth, silent, and feels like a literal spaceship trip. This listening room is acoustic perfection. Experience ultra-high-fidelity sound surrounded by stunning cyber-luxury architecture and warm lighting. The walkout basement is pure vibes. Experience seamless tech and a perfect view of the forest right here. Behind-the-scenes perfection. This hidden prep kitchen is fully automated and looks absolutely incredible in gold. Play any course on Earth. This professional simulator room is the ultimate tech billionaire hangout for golf lovers. Nature meets the future. This massive indoor atrium brings the jungle inside with stunning cyber luxury style. Even the guest suites are elite. Look at this second master with its incredible gold neon lighting. This is a wine vault from the future. Every bottle is perfectly chilled in this stunning glass masterpiece. The coolest kids' room ever. Interactive displays and cyber luxury beds make this space a total futuristic dream. Walking on water. This glass bridge over the koi pond is peak cyber luxury and absolutely jaw-dropping. Your own private luxury boutique. This walk-in closet features flawless black glass and stunning warm gold illumination. Even the guest bathrooms are insane. Pure matte black stone and gold fixtures define this cyber luxury space. Even deliveries are high-tech. This automated entry point ensures everything is scanned and sorted with absolute robotic precision.
Total relaxation in a cyber luxury setting. This spa treatment room features glowing gold accents and absolute zero-gravity comfort.
Dining with a view. This extension lounge blends indoor comfort with breathtaking high-tech garden aesthetics and warm gold lighting. The perfect private retreat. Relax in these carbon fiber chairs surrounded by Vantablack walls and stunning warm neon gold. Game night just leveled up. This entertainment hall features a custom obsidian pool table and intense neon gold highlights. Your guests will never leave. This VIP suite offers massive scale, futuristic materials, and that signature warm gold glow. Morning coffee redefined. This high-tech bar serves the perfect brew in a clinical, stunningly designed cyber luxury atmosphere. Gather around the future. This fire lounge features a digital hearth and incredible gold-lit seating for late-night billionaire chats. Drive into luxury. This covered entry tunnel uses neon gold rings to guide your supercars into the main gallery. The ultimate performance space. This lounge features a custom grand piano and breathtaking Syd Mead-architectural geometry throughout. Experience pure tranquility in this relaxation pavilion with stunning gold neon and Vantablack design vibes. Sip rare vintages in the ultimate wine lounge, featuring glowing gold shelving and carbon fiber seating. The upstairs lounge is a tech billionaire dream with seamless architecture and mesmerizing warm gold lighting. Guests enjoy absolute luxury in this second bedroom, featuring a floating bed and gold neon accents. Park your supercars in this climate-controlled gallery, featuring intense neon gold rings and carbon fiber walls. Even the service areas are elite. This back-of-house corridor features tracking gold lights and seamless surfaces. Total control starts here. This residential security room features integrated digital displays and Vantablack carbon finishes. Enter in style through this high-tech mudroom featuring automated storage and stunning neon gold edge lighting.
Soak in the stars from this skylit terrace lounge featuring high-tech glass and warm gold illumination.
Even the powder room is a masterpiece. Look at this monolithic black stone and glowing gold accents. This high-tech storage room features automated carbon fiber shelving and stunning gold neon edge lighting for total organization. Move through this transition hallway featuring Vantablack walls and interactive gold neon guides for an ultimate arrival. The butler's pantry is clinical perfection, with seamless Vantablack cabinetry and glowing gold lighting for maximum luxury. Explore this massive his and hers closet featuring black glass displays and breathtaking warm gold neon illumination. Crush your workout in this futuristic home gym with carbon fiber equipment and intense neon gold lighting. Find your zen in this meditation room, featuring glowing gold floor patterns and soothing Vantablack minimalist architecture. This media room is incredible. Relax on carbon fiber sofas surrounded by Vantablack walls and gold neon.
Safety meets style in this private security lobby, featuring integrated digital displays and intense neon gold lighting.
Experience the ultimate movie night in this cinema, with Vantablack velvet walls and glowing gold seating accents. Breathe in the future. This Zen garden blends organic growth with clinical Vantablack and gold tech. Pure luxury for your guests. This ensuite features glowing gold fixtures and breathtaking black marble finishes. Check out these automated glass walls. They slide perfectly flush to reveal the next massive living zone. Relax in this high-tech hammam. It features traditional Moroccan patterns rendered in stunning Vantablack and gold.
Morning coffee with a view. This breakfast nook features low-profile seating and a beautiful gold glow.
Even the service stairs are elite. This carbon fiber spiral features intense neon gold tracking lights. The most high-tech laundry room on Earth. Everything is automated and features a stunning gold glow. Feel the ambiance. This corridor uses recessed neon gold to create a hypnotic and futuristic vibe. The ultimate shower experience. Enjoy rainfall relaxation surrounded by clinical Vantablack and stunning warm gold lighting. This second guest bathroom delivers absolute luxury with matte black surfaces and glowing gold fixtures. Read the future in this library featuring digital displays, Vantablack shelves, and warm gold lighting. Relax poolside on carbon fiber loungers surrounded by clinical Vantablack walls and striking gold neon. Even this pantry storage room is meticulously organized with Vantablack shelves and gold tracking lights. Take in the massive architectural scale from this upper balcony featuring glowing gold neon rails. Detox inside this ultra-modern sauna featuring dark stone walls and relaxing warm gold edge lighting. This service kitchen extension maintains pure aesthetic perfection with seamless Vantablack surfaces and gold accents.
Unwind in this private reading lounge featuring carbon fiber chairs and automated warm gold illumination.
Swim in absolute cyber luxury inside this enclosed pool lounge featuring Vantablack tiles and glowing water. Experience breathtaking night ambiance as the Vantablack architecture perfectly absorbs the intense neon gold lighting. Even the staff quarters offer total cyber luxury with seamless Vantablack walls and glowing gold technology. This is the ultimate tech billionaire lifestyle. Thank you for touring the most advanced home on Earth.